This here is 519 Cherry Lane. Just gonna do a little walkthrough here. Exterior. So all I'm planning on doing with the exterior is just painting a nice two-tone color of paint. Roof should be good. That might have to be something I'll replace when I sell it, but siding's good. So exterior, we got paint. That'll be it. Okay. Walking in the front door, living room here. So I'm gonna paint, obviously. I'll have to do some drywall with these ceiling tiles here. So I'll go ahead and include a bid for that. I usually, well, I'm gonna do like carpet. This would be the living room. So carpet in here. Then the bedrooms, and then this area. And then I'll put tile here. Rip all this out, and then put tile around the shower. Replace the shower head and then the shower valve. Then put a nice little vanity here. Drywall. Take out the tile here. And then, yeah, make some drywall repairs there. Get in the kitchen here. So I'll put a nice tile down. Get rid of these ugly cabinets. Replace the cabinets. Replace the counters. Put a backsplash here. Then new appliances. And down here, it's a little dark down here. So do carpet down here, and then I'll also do the baseboards. And then I'll go ahead and replace this tile. Nice vanity here. Go ahead and put the tile and might just replace the door on here and then put tile in there. Then carpet down here. Definitely got some drywall repairs here. And then upstairs here. I mean, I don't envision having to do anything with the electrical panel. If I have to, I'll just upgrade the panel, but that'll be after closing. Let's see here. Then we got up here, upstairs. This is where 3 of the bedrooms are. So carpet. Replace the carpet. Replace some of the tiles up here. Carpet, baseboards. Little master here. Carpet, baseboards. Then the 3rd or the 4th bedroom, there's one downstairs. Place those tiles, carpet, baseboards. So pretty easy, cosmetic. In the description of the video, I will have the projected costs and the investment amount.